What's the tea, everybody? My name is Elaina, or Lada Deluxe. That's here on Fridays. And today is Friday. That means Fridays are a drag. We're doing this look from RuPaul's Drag Race UK. And this is by Ginger Johnson of House of Johnson from the current episode that she won. That's a winning look from a runway. Not quite like that, but sort of just the makeup. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. You can find me on What Presents Plus on Painted as Raven Season 2, available right now, and all kind of colorful makeup looks and face paint on my channel. Check it out. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this fabulous tutorial. Before we go on into my voiceover, I just want to say this is a voiceover. I've been lately doing voiceover so much easier for me to film and think later what I'm gonna say as I'm doing the makeup. So if you excuse me, I'm just gonna do the voiceover. And I want to say congratulations, Ginger Johnson, and you won the episode for Panto, whatever it was called. And I didn't even know what panto is. I think I heard it from last season, I'm not mistaken. So I kind of sort of know what it is now. And she did fabulous, and she was a great performer. It was just amazing. It's like a pro. And congratulations, totally deserved. And the look was amazing. Everything about this, I loved it so much. So I wanted to create my version of her makeup look. Maybe not the same wig and I got a Walmart tablecloth as usual, but you know how it is on this channel. You get you get AliExpress version of the real thing. Anyway, let's get right into this tutorial. So I started with LA Colors Foundation from Dollar Store and then applied Kimchi Chic concealers, the most concealer, white and medium beige. And I used Juno sponge, and I haven't used Juno sponge or LA Colors foundation in a while, and they're both really dry and awful. So I pretty much ended up removing everything. If you see me glowing a little better, that's because I redid everything. That LA Colors foundation went right to trash. So this is Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick, of course. As you can see, I'm doing contour very low, not typical. That's how she does it. She does it like from the middle of the ear rather than from the top, and then more like an old school contour. The chin is being squared off because she's got a square chin. Now we're blending. It's hard to make this chin too square because my sides of the face are very narrow, but at least we can do the front. Now I'm using Aesthetica palette for the nose contour and eyebrows. Her nose and eyebrows are pretty much connected. It's like it's very clownish, old school drag. Kind of reminds me of Bianca Del Rio a little bit. The nose contour is very, not very snatched, I would say. It's kind of like a medium, not totally small. Now I already said everything, so we're doing a powder contour by Kimchi Chic Beauty. And this is 01 Tawny. Just reinforcing everything as usual. The cheeks and the forehead. And we're gonna reinforce the nose with a lighter shade. Kind of mix in a little lighter shade. It's the same thing. She does a little bit of a tip of the nose dot, but not very obvious, so I did that too. For the lighter shade of that contour palette. And we're starting with the Vivian and Be Perfect palette, Scepter. One of my favorites, purple, a little bit of pink to blend it, and white, pretty much purple and white, that's the main colors. So the shape is rounded and not much of a wing outside, just a little bit. I'm blending it out and I set my underbrow with white, and I used some white concealer there as well. I don't think I showed it, but yeah, the eyebrows are very arched. When you see her old makeup, Ginger Johnson on Instagram, the older the pictures, the higher the eyebrows. And you can see eyebrows were right at her wig line before. Yeah, I'm setting the eyelids with a shimmer and gold. She had this outfit, like a shiny outfit with gold and silver. So she went with golden eyelid. That's as far as I know. I'm just going with the Instagram version, of course. I'm creating the base for the eyeliner because her eyes are hooded, so she can color the whole eyelid with black. I can't do that because I have too many creases. So I have to create the base first so it's more smooth, so the transition. Now I'm going with Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeliner. This eyeliner goes over the glitter, over anything pretty much, so it's very good. The tip is not my favorite, but it creates a very black line, and that's what we need here. Now we're going with the white. Again, very classic, old school drag, very white line. And I set it with white eyeshadow. Now we're going with a Beauty Bay gel liner. She's got a very pronounced line under that. Oh, and there's Cat. Shangela came to say hello, and she says, "Mother, where is dinner?" It's like Shangy's like, "Mommy, I want dinner." Tail, tail. I was trying to do the gel liner. He kept putting tail in front of my face. Yep, it's not working. All right, the cat is out, so we can continue with the gel liner. You know, the funsies of filming the beauty looks. Shangy always makes an appearance. We're doing the very thick, and it's kind of like a downward point in an outside. I noticed this kind of shape, and the eyelashes are gonna be huge too. The bottom lashes are like top lashes. I'm kind of living for this extra look. I blended the bottom of the eyeshadow a little bit with the purple. I use an Anastasia Beverly Hills blush that I got in TJ Maxx actually. I don't remember, it was very cheap. Lashes are on, so now we're doing lips, and this is the blackberry color. Anastasia Beverly Hills lip pencil. The lashes are like the 301 stacked with like some other stuff, and the bottom lashes are just like top lashes, so it's pretty much like very, very big. The lips did that weird shape, kind of reminds me of the Lucille ball. Kind of had this weird cupid ball on the outside of the lips. I don't know. So we're doing that. And Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick, and I don't remember the color. It's purple, obviously. And on the show, I think she had red, and I actually did not like it. I like the Instagram purple, and matches. And we're gonna put some white in the middle just to lighten up the way she had it in the pictures as well. I'm pretty sure she used the white concealer, a light concealer. I'm using white from Wet n Wild, the white lipstick. It was like a Halloween edition. I love to use that for the lightening of the middle of the lip. And she's here, Ginger Johnson, from the House of Johnson, obviously. No, the wig is not the right color, and no, the aluminum foil is not the right color. I have another version here, but that did not go with my jewels. Well, the idea is about the same, but they removed the cat hair off the lens. If you saw, my baby was here, swinging his tail and spreading his hair everywhere. This is going to be a very noisy explanation because the aluminum, it's not aluminum foil. This is a Walmart tablecloth. And yes, Walmart tablecloth made an appearance again. You're welcome. Yeah, she's like a very, very extra, very old school drag. Like the lashes, the bottom lashes are like top lashes, you know. Everything is like very exaggerated, right up my alley. I like this kind of style. Like I like the snatched and the new school makeup looks, but I also love the classic drag, like the right classic drag with the eyebrows all out there and the lips. She clearly has this 50s, this 50s kind of a pin-up, you know, like Lucy, you know, lips, kind of weird shape. I'm kind of living for this. So the lip shape and the lip color, I went with the Instagram photo, and on the show she had red, which I think on the Instagram looks better with purple because the dress is purple. I didn't have any purple dress. I have like a kind of a purple blouse here with a little purple and green, so, and a little aluminum foil. I mean, aluminum. I keep calling it aluminum foil because it looks like it, but it's actually a tablecloth from Walmart. So there you have it. The wig is from AliExpress. Actually, I bought it to do Marilyn Monroe, which I haven't done yet, so that's next one to do. It's not like hers, but kind of like I teased it up a little bit. So there you go. What do you guys think? I love her style, I love her look, and I loved her performance. Oh my god, she so won this, hands down. She was the best. Her performance was so genuine, so awesome, and the look on the runway was so unique. Yes, I have my arms, but you probably shouldn't look at them because I got no nails. I should probably hiding my hands under this thing. But yeah, that's very interesting. It was kind of a look that like either you love it or hate it. So I was hoping the judges are gonna love it rather than hate it, and they did love it. So I'm glad she won. Congratulations. So I'm looking forward to the next episode, which most likely is gonna be out by the time my video comes out because I'm filming on the Wednesday. And I think the UK comes out on Wednesdays. I'm kind of like not really following well. There's so many drag races, like I can't even follow anymore. I get like anxiety attack. And besides, I hate watching subtitles as much as I love international drag races. Our subtitles on Roku, they're like almost transparent. You can't really read them, and it's very frustrating. So, whatever. Out of topics. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below, and like this video if you enjoyed it. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and ring notification bell so you know when I upload. So follow me on social media. Everything is in the description box. Thank you all for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!